Local and TMR agents, how are you today? Rick Rapp here again, broker owner of Travers Moran Realty. And today I want to talk to everybody about protection. It's very important in this business to have protection of your clients as well as protection of yourself and your broker. Now the business can move very fast, and because of the amount of dollars on the table for new agents as well as for seasoned agents, it can be very exciting. Unfortunately, as human beings, when we get excited, we will sometimes forget to be protective, to use protection. We could all make a joke about what we're kind of inferring there, but I think everyone gets it. A lot of things can come up in this business. We are dealing, first of all, as agents and independent contractors. We all know that we work for a broker, but under that broker, we are a 1099 employee. Now, you want to be sure that you're working with a broker that at least has your back in some capacity. Most brokerages should have an E&O insurance policy in place for you. Here at Travers Moran Realty, we have that in place for all of our agents at our expense. We don't charge anybody any fees for that. But you're also really going to want to have somebody that you can count on to really go over every contract that you submit, go over all sales contracts that are in and going into title, getting ready to close, understanding lending requirements, understanding where a buyer's loan sits, understanding inspection requirements, understanding the ins and outs of a contract, when a buyer can walk away with no risk at all, when and if a seller can get out of a contract if they want to, as well as what's going on with title. We do have issues that come up with title, unfortunately, more often than we'd like. Obviously, everybody wants no issues at any time. But title can bring a whole list of consequences that you as an agent may not know about, may not be prepared for, and may not know how to deal with. So any agent that doesn't have that at their backing really wants a broker that can provide them that support and that protection. Again, you want to be protecting yourself as an agent, and you want to be protecting your client for obvious reasons. Now, if you're looking for a broker that gives more support like that, please give us a call today. We really do like to work with new and seasoned agents as often as possible. We want to teach and be there for them as much as we possibly can. I have been through a lot of these issues. I've been in the business a very long time, so I know what to look out for. My gut instinct is very often correct with these types of scenarios. We've had situations where we've had identity theft, where somebody was going to buy a property or sell a property that wasn't theirs, or under a name that wasn't theirs. These types of things, if they go through and they close and warranty transfers, they're going to be much bigger issues than we want to face in the beginning when we can kind of squash them. So this is something to really think about today. Whenever you're drafting a contract, whenever you're waiting for something to close, whenever a contract is in title, waiting to close, whenever you're working with a lender, be on top of everything all the time. We never want to trust everyone at once. We have a lot of different factors and a lot of different gears moving in these transactions. Be sure that you stay on top of all of them. Don't just sit back and hope that everyone is doing the right thing. You've got to take control of these situations, again, to protect yourself and to protect your client. So if that's something that you want to talk more about, please reach back out to us. Email admin@traversmoranrealty.com. Set up an appointment with me if you work here now. Set up an appointment with me if you're looking for a change of brokerage. Set up an appointment with me if you just got your license and you're looking for the right place to work. All right, guys, thanks for listening. I'll talk to you all again next week. Take care.